Hi, this is Ahshan Habib, founder of Excel in a nutshell, working in a large group of companies for last 10 years with SAP-ERP service support and quality management system. So welcome to my Excel learning programs. So here is my online presence and identification at different social media. This is actually my LinkedIn profile, MJ Ahshan Habib, and this is my Facebook profile, and this is my YouTube channel, Excel in a nutshell. So I have already published 112 tutorials here, and I have some playlists there, so you can learn Microsoft Excel by following my YouTube videos. So here are the glimpses of my videos so far I have started. This is almost 2 years journey. I have also two identification online. This is Facebook page Excel in a nutshell and the Facebook groups Excel in a nutshell. So I have also the WhatsApp community. So this is my WhatsApp number 01723747326 and +88 is the country code of Bangladesh. So you can join with me in my WhatsApp group Excel in a nutshell that is dedicatedly for Bangla, and I have another Excel in a nutshell page that is dedicatedly in English, Excel in a nutshell English page. Recently I have started a 6 days Excel learning program, so that is going to be start on 7th January 2022. There will be total 6 classes in 2 weeks. So if you want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, so this is actually created by using a hyperlink function of Microsoft Excel. So here is the outline of the schedule, Zoom meeting credentials, and the course outline. So this will be totally 6 classes, and the platform will be Zoom, and there will be 2 sessions. One is Bangla at 9 p.m. Bangladesh time, and there will be another session, the same session with this having the same content, but the mode of communication will be in English, and that will be dedicated for my international participants. That is going to be held on 10:20 p.m. that is GMT, that means Greenwich Mean Time +6. And here is the most crucial thing, the meeting ID and passwords. Then I'm going to conduct this 6-day session using this meeting ID and password. So this is the week 1 schedule. There will be total 3 classes, 7, 8 and 10th January 2022, Friday, Saturday and Monday. The time will be same for all 6 classes. On the first class, that means today, we are going to explore the introduction of Microsoft Excel operations and some of the terminologies. And on 10th January, we are going to explore the top 10 Microsoft Excel driver. That means the functionality is very, very mandatory, and without having the knowledge of these 10 key points, you won't be able to operate Microsoft Excel. And on 10th January, we are going to explore the formula and functions. There will be 400 independent formula rather than the nesting and complex or joining 1 or 2. There will be dedicatedly sole formula near about 400. So understanding the logical argument or syntax, how we can use them in our calculations to bring out the business insight and to give answer for business query. There will be different types of formulas and their applications on 10th January. On the second week, 14th January, we are going to explore the Visual Basic for applications and the code recording that is called Macro. And we'll also explore the VBA-IDE integrated development environments, and we'll explore the different functionalities of Microsoft Excel, VBA and Macro, and we will learn how to apply predefined macros. I have there about 200 VBA codes, and that I'm going to share with you for my participants. On 5th January, I'm going to explore pivot table and Power Query. There were the brief introductions of these 2 topics and some of the practical demonstrations. And on 7th January, I'm going to explore the most hottest topic of Microsoft Excel in nowadays, and this is Power BI. That means the business intelligence tools for creating your reports and dashboards. And we'll explore on 7th January that sections. So this is the brief of our today's programs. Hope you will enjoy the classes, and if you think this can help to boost your data analysis skill, please keep your support for us and subscribe our channel Excellent and Arshil, join our Facebook groups and follow our WhatsApp groups to have some updates on free classes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.